Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Ebony Nails again. Okay, I got some stuff from MVB Nail Designs. It was her powders that she had. I think she used them. She has a video. I'll find the video and I'll put the link below. But yeah, I bought these from her. It says, Ebony, hey girl, I just want to say thank you so much for all the love and support. I hope you love these as much as I do. Love Gigi. P.S. Don't forget to shake as sometimes they settle. Um, yeah, I forgot to do that, so you guys will probably see. I forgot to shake it up and all. But let's get to these colors and see how they are. Okay, first we got Poison Purple. And you guys, when I first looked at these, I thought the bag was that color. But no, that's the color of the acrylic. It's like super pigmented. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know it was really like this. I got so excited. Okay, next we got Hello Yellow. Oh, that is so pretty. This camera's not doing no justice. Like, I like the yellow a lot. Like all the colors, actually. This is Blazing Blue, and yeah, it's some Blazing Blue, alright. Ain't gonna lie about that. Next we have Gorgeous Green. It is a pretty green. It is gorgeous. Next we have, I forgot how to pronounce it. Add on triple. I don't know. I can't say orange anyway, so it's like, sorry. I don't know. Okay, and this one, I think it was open because I looked inside earlier. I took a sneak peek at them before I showed you guys because I couldn't wait. I was very impatient. Okay, and this is Monster Coral. That's a pretty color. And next we have the glow in the dark one, and that is the pink one. Next we got the poppin' pink, and it's really poppin'. It's poppin'. Okay, and this is the blue glow in the dark one. I lost some footage of the glow in the dark, like an actual video, and at the end it's only a picture. I'm sorry about that. The picture is not that long and you can't really see, but they really do glow in the dark, like for real, for real. Okay, so these are all the colors. As you can see, it's like the rainbow. Thought I edit this part out. Okay, look at these pretty colors, y'all. I can take them out the bag so you guys can really see them. Okay, next, first we got the Hello Yellow. Very pretty, y'all. Very pretty. I sped it up some for you guys. The video was kind of long. I'm not really good with acrylic. This is like my second or third time using it, so the ratio and all that stuff I didn't know what to do. I think it's like, any different with color? I think it is. I want to go to school very soon for nails, but I'm trying to make sure my rotator cuff is like 100% healed before I start to do nails, because I'm pretty sure me constantly moving is really gonna wear me out. So I want to start school now, but I have to like really think about it, and I gotta do what's best for me. So I gotta let that heal. It's been almost a year, so yeah, just let that heal, and then I'm on my way to school. This is one of my old brushes from like 2008 or something, 2009. It was a while ago. They still good. I haven't used them. I started using them again recently. And this is a acrylic brush. I think it's size 10. If I'm not mistaken. I think it is. I should have used my other one, but I wanted to try this one out. Compare the difference between this one because I don't know what they do, but they like bend it to make it like more flat, and the other one's not like that. So I just wanted to compare the two. And honestly, I really don't know. I probably have to try some more. Here's the blue. The blue is so pretty, y'all. It's very vivid. Poison purple. My first day, I didn't have enough. I don't know. I'm still trying to get the ratio down, but like Gigi said, it is like painting them on because that's feel like I was doing like I was actually painting instead of, I don't know, but that's how it was for me. And for this one is mustard coral, I believe it is, because this one and the popping pink in the camera kind of looked the same, so I was kind of confused because that looked like orange also, but this is orange right here. But yeah, it felt like I was like it was like paint. Like I don't know if you guys like when you was younger, it was like the one paint that you have in school that be in the bottles, like the big bottles, and you shake it up because you have to shake it up because you have to let the water and the paint like come together or whatever because it was to be separated. Like I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about because if some of you don't, I feel kind of old, but yeah, this is like in the 90s. So, but yeah, I still have some of the paint anyway, so that's what it made me think about it, especially when I put the green on. It reminded me of that kind of paint. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the pink. But then it looks like the coral, but the coral looks like more of a pinkish orange, like an orange and pink in it. But as I was going along, I felt like I was getting a little better, trying to get used to it of what I was doing. I would say anybody who like, you could also use it for dip powder, she said, and I believe something else. I don't want to say because I don't want to misquote her. So I think Gigi have a video of different things she could do with her powders. And if I find that, I will have it down the link for you guys. I just put on the glow in the dark pink one. I love glow in the dark. It's so pretty. I wish you guys would see, but when I'm telling you, like, they lit up, they lit up. I was thinking many times the next time I use them, like, do some kind of design or something. I think I kind of want to, like, I forgot what it's called. I've seen a lot of people doing it. It's like kind of like the watercolor look effect. I think I might try that one with the colors to see how that turns out. Do some experiments over here. Okay, here we go. Topping it off with the top coat from Emily. And as you can see with these four or five, I kind of buffed them, and the other ones I didn't do. Cause I was like, I didn't really want to do that. I didn't have time, so I just and like they didn't look too bad. So I was like, I'm just leaving them where they are. So it's me just putting on the top coat. I don't like that one. That one's like really popping out. the monster coral. I think that's what it is. It's so pretty. There go the orange nail. It's kind of hard to see because it blends in with the table. There they go after I cure them. I think they came out really good, yo. I see where I could have added some more acrylic, but hey, I did what I could. I did my best. And here are the other ones. Top coat as well. Oh, sorry for the angle too as well. Um, I was trying to figure out why the camera was looking so weird when I was recording. It's because I had the camera backwards. So the angle I was recording from was different. So I had to flip the whole video around. So that's why it looks like that. Here these go after I put them in the UV. Cure them for 30 seconds. There goes the rest of them. I want to show them off. So has anybody heard there's some oh, okay, guess